Hey guys, welcome back to Shane's Getting Handy. Today we're working on my 93 Toyota Pickup. Rear differential fluid change, that's what we're up to. So stick around, let's get it done. 3 quarts of gear oil, 80W90 or 75W90. Some crush washers and a ratchet. I've got my 15/16. It's supposed to be 24mm, but the 15/16 actually works pretty good for this. It's a tiny bit smaller and it fits better on mine, but there you go. Be sure to open the fill port first, because just in case you can't get it open, at least you're not in a situation where you've drained it and you can't refill it. When I cheated here, I had to use my yellow and black ratchet. Well, I didn't have to, but it was easier, so I did. And I actually have no idea how long it's been since this was changed. I bought this truck used, so I guess we're gonna find out. Ooh, probably at least a few weeks, maybe a month or 2, maybe 3. Well, I got these cleaned up super nice. Make sure you put the new crush washer on with the ring towards the casing and away from the bolt. Something kind of oddly satisfying about putting the drain plug back in. Not really sure why, but you know. I looked real hard for the torque spec for that drain plug, but I couldn't actually find it. Of course, I did find the torque for the fill plug. It's 36 foot-pound. And that's exactly what I put the drain plug to. Oh, there it goes, it's full. It took like 2 3/4.
Forbidden chocolate syrup.
Well, there you go. Pretty easy. Couple of minutes, a little bit of work, and it's all done. I don't know. Yeah, go do yours. It's really not that hard. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. We'll see you.